Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the product easy hashtag traffic. Okay, so this is a review page of this product and this is created by me. Okay, so as you can see, this is the title and this is a meme created by me because I always want a big smile on your face while choosing your product. Okay, so let's get into the review now. Let me firstly clear you that this product is all about using your hashtags. Hashtags are really very popular these days on social medias, and that's why this kind of product has been introduced by the owner. Okay, so you can just after getting through the video, this is a totally tutorial based product. Sorry. So after getting the videos which is created by the owner, it will be clear to you that how to utilize the full power of hashtags, how to use how to get the ultimate traffic with hashtags, and many more things about hashtags. Okay, so that was the purpose of this video, to clear you everything about the product, and also my second purpose is to show you the bonuses which I am giving to you. So at the end of the first line of the title, as you can see, the bonus value is $6,397 bonuses. The custom bonuses are collected from so many days and will be given to you from my site totally free once you have brought the product my site. This product is really very cheap, and if you really want to know about hashtags, if you are a really social media lover or social media time consumer, and you really want to get traffic as an influencer, or like to earn money or to get traffic in your website. Okay, so you can just go through this product. Okay, so I will show you and tell you everything about this product and also the bonuses. So I have not accessed this product and I have not gone through the video tutorials. Okay, that's why I can't given many more sections, like many more bars, like contents value, like performance, like feature and facilities. Okay, I have not given here, which I usually give, but in this product I have not gone through this product. That's why I have only given the market hits and the value for money, because I think value is really cheap. So that's why I given 97, and the overall it has got 9.7, because I never consider market hits inside the overall. Okay, so this is the price. As you can see, this costs only $7, or maybe you can say it approximately $8. Okay, so this costs only $8 or $8. So this is the launch period. After launch period, the pricings will get up to $10 maybe. Okay, so I don't know also exact about it, but to give you an urgency in your mind, I just have told it that maybe the price rising up, and this is also for written only that purpose, to give you an urgency, to give your mind an urgency to, if you want to purchase it, purchase it firstly, purchase it as faster as you can. Okay, so this is the button, and by clicking this button you will be redirected to the product, you will be redirected to such kind of page, and you can go through your product and also the bonuses. I will be telling you that, I will tell you that how can you get the bonuses and from which button will help you to get to the bonuses. So this is some description about the product, and you can visit this page. I want you to visit this page and go through this, what kind of things will be given to you inside the product, and what kind of thing will be shown to you inside the product, and every description has been given here, and you can check out this very easily by visiting this page. If you want to buy this product, you should and you have to do it. Okay, so this is also a button which will redirect you to the product, and this is the sales funnel. As you can see, the front end product costs only $7, and the second first upsell is $15, and the second one is only $3, and the last one costs $17. Okay, so these are the bonuses which I am very much eager from the beginning to show you, and that I am giving you this kind of custom bonuses which I have been collecting from so many days, and it will be given to you from my side totally free once you have brought the product from my side. Okay, so I am collecting so many bonuses. Let me show you something interesting. that here after 50 bonuses I have put here 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses, because I don't want to waste my time and your time also, and by visiting this kind of bonuses and these 50 bonuses, you can get a easy overthrow of the bonuses. And these bonuses are also stuffed with like software, plugins, case studies, videos, which will help you highly to get success, to earn money online, to get success in social media, to get more reach in YouTube, okay, on your YouTube channel. So almost you are getting 50 plus 270, that's mean 320 plus mega bonuses from my side. I am sure that it is more than 320 plus, but I have just rounded the figure, and it will be given to you from my side totally free once you have brought the product from my side. So what you have to do, that after purchasing the product, you should click this access affiliate bonus button, and you will be redirected to my bonuses, so you can easily go through the bonuses which will be given from my side. So that was an overview of this product, and I am signing out for the day. So bye bye.